a change of season, water falling. We must let go, without reason. Until next year, like the leaves of spring, we'll never know. If we don't let go, we'll never bloom again, never grow. Stand proud and tall in all you are. Let your worries cascade down into the valley of hope. Meander with life, just like the stream. Go with the flow, on you go, on to something new, never look back. Walk over on the here and now, look up and never down, cleanse your soul, there is beauty in the light, you are free, your own person, you'll navigate every stormy sea. The sun will once again shine, for now let it radiate from your heart and understand everything must come full circle in order for the restart. Keep on walking the line and never give up, only you have the power to succeed, only you know how to seal the deed. Namaste.